So this is our Raceway pancake mount. You can see there's a little hole right here where the Raceway fits in. Fits right into there. So we will mount this up, and then the fan will mount to this. So the idea is we take this receptacle out. I'm gonna have to go turn the breaker off once I get it loose. And we're gonna come down this wall because it's hollow back there and bring the Romex down into this receptacle to get power for the fan. The fan will not be switched like a normal fan, but it will have one of those remotes. So there'll be constant power to the fan, and it'll be turned on and off, and all the functions will be accessed through the remote. That's the great thing about these new remote fans. So with this out of here, what I'll do is come up into this hole over here. We got one wire coming in here. I'm going to try to bring the other wire down into this side. Go turn the breaker off. Hopefully it doesn't. This is our breaker for this. Right here. There. Okay. Let's see if the power is off. Okay. No power going to it. So what we have is right around here is where that wire goes in. So we're going to try to feed this other wire down there using this chain. Let me wedge it up here so I don't lose the whole chain down there. I'll tie this piece of string on here, which is the one I was going to use as the pull string, but you have to be so careful because what happens is you'll be doing a simple job, but you need a chain, and you'll let the chain fall down the wall, and then that'll be the end of that. So we'll tie that on there. That's got double the length needed if it were to fall. Yeah. Okay, I was able to grab the chain out of there. So we'll tie the string end onto this, and we'll pull it back up through. We'll be in good shape. Well, I've got the chain through, and I've got this cord tied to it. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. This time it was terrible. Anyhow, I'm going to attach the wire to this line and pull it from the top. I'm not going to pull it up, I'm going to pull it down. Always easier. So we're going to get this 14-2 out of here. Try to get it nice and straight. So hopefully it will pull easily. pull the sheath back. We'll tie a loop in here. Try to keep everything as small and as smooth as possible so it can't catch on anything. Just gonna go ahead and use all three of these. Stick them in there like that. I'm gonna tape them up. Nice and smooth. Make sure it's smooth both ways in case you have to pull it back. So we're gonna get this started going down the hole there. See how that works. We should be close. There's the loop. We're almost there. Come on. Put a few down. Push from the top again real quick. There we go. Finally. Okay. Now that we have that where it needs to be, the next step is to drill right through here, which I've already done. Drill a hole right up in through there. It comes out through here. And then we run the wire through for the raceway. Now we got the wire, and it'll go right up along here to the center. Well, we measured halfway, and we've put the plate for the fan mount here. The raceway will come out there and go down to where the wire is. The wire will come up in through here, and the way this plate works is it has these studs that you screw in from the back before you install it. So you got two studs there that screw in from the back, and then this plate goes over top like this, and then you install the fan right here, the fan mount. So I'll run the wire and get that ready, and then well, we have the raceway in, covering the wire and coming up to the box. The box is in. It's got its two bolts to hang the fan from, and we just got to wire it up, build the fan, and then wire it up. But yeah, these are a great solution for any time you don't have access from an attic, or maybe you're using it on a first floor cement ceiling. It's a great way to add a light or a fan. Well, the moment of truth. The box did work for mounting the fan. The fan is up. I just need to turn on the power. And success. A nice fan. It's working. Pretty clean look with the raceway and the surface mount. So, very good.